Okay, starting off with the kids' art table, size and scale. Back wall, your lights up here. This base cabinet, that countertop would be much thicker. 21 wide. This is how much space you have for stools. 16 deep. The countertop is obviously deeper, but we've only got about 20 inches to the door jamb there. Fireplace we went over. The playroom. This one's tricky. So this is tough. I think I've got it figured out. This is not the drawing, but this is the size and scale. That's that hearth piece coming out. So if we are looking at the front of this, here's our TV on center. That line goes through the center of the television, through the center of these. Here's our spacing for the cubbies. That works. I know this is wider than what you really need at 36, but if we keep the center down here, this is off the wall, the same, and I can't go any further to the left because of the hearth. So these are much narrower than here, and my hands are tied with this layout. So if we look at it this way, I mean, you can grind on this more, but at least this layout works where it's symmetrical. Elevation view, these four drawers are the same width, inside width. These cubbies are the same. This is 24 wide. It's all on center. The right side of that is 14 and a quarter off the wall, 14 and 3/4. I'll adjust that, but with all that rock, you'll never know. 56 wide, 56 wide, 44, 40. It's all symmetrical. I don't know another way around keeping this and these symmetrical. If we're going to bring this over, even if we do a panel, I mean, we can do a 14-inch panel, but that's pretty big. If we put a panel here, we're not going to have one on the left side. That's your TV, floating shelves. Those are symmetrical, right? Yes. 6 inches off the left, and over here, 6 inches off the right. It's just, I mean, you can see how tricky, with this guy's just throwing us off. It's not giving us the same width as it is up here. But this should work. The width, the height, these cabinets are at 15 deep. The base, they're that deep. Anyway, you can take a look at that. Linen cabinet, 111 to the top, 84 to the top of this. With that brick pitching over as much as it does. I mean, we can try to put a little cabinet here, but this wall dives to the right heavy, and that's going to be noticeable. Security cabinet, same layout as the fireplace. All right, sir, let me know what you think of that.